Welcome to this session of Power Cloud Reporting Training. Prior to this session, you should be familiar with creating a visual report outline and creating a report definition. This session brings those elements together to produce the end result of a completed report. Power Cloud Reporting provides several ways to run a report. You can run a report from the home page, from the Report Queue screen, or from within the Design panel of the report. For this session, we will run the report from our home page. Click the Run icon next to report definition you would like to run. Power Cloud Reporting will load the design version of the report. The most important item to note when running a report is the control date field. The date selected here will impact the time period for each column on the report. For this session, we will use a report control date of July 31, 2021. We will also enable drill down, suppress empty sections, and include unposted GL transactions. Now, click Run. Notice that column C displays the transaction summary for the period of July 1, 2021 through July 31, 2021. This was the result of defining the column period as month, setting the relative period to 0, and setting the relative year to 0. Power Cloud Reporting used the control date of July 31, 2021 during report refresh. Had we changed the control date to June 30, 2021, prior to running the report, column C would have displayed the transaction summary for the period of June 1, 2021 through June 30, 2021. Next, notice that column D displayed the transaction summary for the period of January 1, 2021 through December 31, 2021. This was the result of defining the column period as year and setting the relative period to 0. Since the option to cut off period using the control date specified was not enabled on the column definition, it reported the transaction summary for the entire fiscal year. If that option had been enabled on the column definition, column D would have reported the transaction summary for the period of January 1, 2021 through July 31, 2021. Power Cloud Reporting provides drill down to all actual and budget transaction activity. Click in cell D40. The amount is $5,000 to view the transaction details for that amount. From this screen, we can also drill into Financial Edge to view the journal entry batch. We can drill into the accounts payable invoice. We can also drill into the general ledger account record. Finally, we can also drill into the project record. All drill down activity is controlled by the security level access given to the Power Cloud Reporting user running the report. In addition to being able to provide filters for the visual report outline and for the columns, Power Cloud Reporting also allows for runtime filters that can be applied to the overall report each time the report is run. From the Report Run panel, navigate to the Filter Item section and click Department. Select Department 03 or Program Services by double-clicking on it. Click Save. Now click Run. The report now only displays activity for Department 03. You can choose to filter a report by any elements defined in your Financial Edge environment. Thank you for attending this Power Cloud reporting training session. We hope to see you again in future training sessions.